Okay, let's take a look at how you would get this text about American alligators played back to us. So in the bottom right corner, we'll click on the time, and that'll pop up our menu of options. We'll click on accessibility. Now select to speak is already checked off on my list. So what that means is we press it and then tap it again and select it again, it's going to show up in live down here in the bottom toolbar. That's really quick and accessible for a lot of students. So when we come on here, we're going to press that select to speak button. Might use two hands on the trackpad to select that text. There's a purple shade around it.
American alligators once faced extinction. The United States Fish and Wildlife Service placed them on the endangered species list in 1967.
So it can move a little bit fast. There is a different toggle menu that pops up right here below. So you can change that to half speed.
1967. Fortunately, the legal protection worked.
So you've got some nice options here on tracking. It'll highlight the words as it moves forward. You can also move to the next sentence.
Just 20 years later.
Or you can move to the next paragraph on the page.
Common name, American alligators.
So it can be a really effective tool for accessing and listening to content that's on the screen. Again, down in the bottom right corner, accessibility options, and select to speak. Thanks so much.